Let me start first by saying that yesterday, today, and tomorrow will not be possible without the sacrifices and commitment of the men and women in uniform who bravely serve our nation. It is because of you that I am able to do what I do, and that's train for the first annual with great honor Team USO charity walk to Washington, D.C. from my hometown of Clinton, South Carolina. There are approximately 409,000 veterans in the state of South Carolina, close to 23 million in the nation. By showing support for our troops and their families, you will be reinforcing the tangible commitments you have already made in acknowledging the supreme sacrifices that these special men and women make each and every day. Join me by clicking the like button on the Facebook page with great honor Team USO. You can also visit my website at www.teamuso.org/2010/LPITS. If you'd like to make a donation, you can make it there. May God continue to bless you and your family, and may God bless the United States of America.